Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Teams server error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. For Microsoft Teams server error, first of all, check the status of Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams server status. I prefer Bing these days, but you can also use Microsoft or Google. So go to Microsoft Teams server status, scroll down, and go to service portal. Okay, portal.office.com // service status, and then there will be an option for Teams consumer. And if that is the case, then make sure that it is checked. This is if you're using Microsoft Teams on your home computer, but what if you're using it on your official computer? In that case, you will have to contact the IT admin, because the IT admin can add policies to your system which may restrict your access to Microsoft Teams, and they are the only ones who have the access to the server. The general server status is only for consumers. If you're using a work or school account, then contact the IT administrator. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.